Hello Mzansi, it's Girl. Here is the latest update on the story. Desmond Sunong wants the public to know that he was not dating any of the girls. They simply know each other. They all met Cosmo Konga around 10 p.m. last week Saturday. Baliseng and Tiamo even bought their own drinks, Corona and Extreme. So this clears the rumors about the 10,000 rand story. Later that night, Deborah left with Tiamo, heading to a different location. Desmond was working with Baliseng when everything changed. According to Desmond, Deborah stopped his car, got out, and pulled out a weapon. He fired 2 shots, Mopeli 4-5, and his spinal cord. So Desmond says he ran for his life while the girls were screaming. He managed to escape, hiding in a neighbor's yard while he heard more shots being fired. At this point in Mzansi, Desmond says he still does not know why Deborah did this to him.
Past 10 ka go tlo tswela bona banyana ba le seng le Tiamo ba tsena go ba mpona ke le go khoneng le majitane ke lona mo tafoleng so bandumedisha so ba sa shoba ba ya countereng o ba jwa ba aba bua kua ba tla gona kua ke ne le majitane a tle ba google 6 ya Corona le 6 ya Extreme la koloi ya manya tabo o la shitse Tiamo ka mo ke passenger fihla go tabo o phirika koleng o bula le batho go ka sethunya o mpeta ha bolele selo le nna ke po na pile Tiamo tabo go dia nna ka tshaba ke jikela go merago a ke jika soke ibile ke ga hlale majita manga a koloi o ka re ke pholo na ba butse mnyako so ba kole sethunya sela ka kitima ke tsena ka go pholo ba kwalla mnyako la ba tshaba nna ka feta ka tsama go goelela ke tima ampethile cause o ka re pethile ka one mo a ke jika so ampetha ka engwe ka
Why?